What is up, my friends? It's another day, it's a new day, and today we're a little different as we are suited up. Found another local creek around here in Smyrna. It's probably no more than waist deep, but I can't really see the bottom. I don't know what's underneath there, so it's really sketchy. And today we also got another surprise guest. Look at my brother.
How y'all guys doing?
Oh yeah, so it's gonna be a little fishing challenge. I always catch a little bit more fish than him, so I'm gonna try to catch as much fish as I can. We'll compare my numbers to his. Today we're gonna start fishing with the trout magnet. Start off with trying to catch for panfish, build my confidence up. We'll switch to a top water. We'll probably work our way to a swim bait and try to catch some bass. And so stay tuned. Made it down from down there without getting hurt and busted my butt. Let's see if we can make it up later on without getting hurt. Today I am using a different pole and rod setup from the other day. This is another crappie fighter pole from Zepco. Again, this is a 5.6. This is a 5.6 ultralight. What makes this pole different from the other pole that I used the other day was this one has 10-pound braid. It's supposed to be high visibility, and it's also got a 6-pound leader that is made from monofilament. So I brought this pole because I know I can use it to catch small sunfish and then use a bigger lure and catch bluegills. And so, oh man, Arrow's already got one. Is that first cast? Hey. All right, hang on. Hang on, Arrow.
Oh no!
What are you using? You got it using a floater?
Using the floaters, taking it easy today. Got me the floater, got me a little
Small jig head.
small jig head with the mealworm. Seems to be pretty effective out here.
What was you doing there? Just throwing in that little pocket?
Little toss. Little toss.
Woo! Wow. Boom! Must be that first YouTube appearance luck. Alright, lure wise, I'm using a trout magnet, a little yellow worm thing. Alright, I see some structure there. Little calm area, so maybe there's a fish there. And we're on. Oh, I need took it off. There we go. It's that quick release. Fish away, man. Let's clear my fish away. This one's not as colorful, a little dull. Still lots of energy. Alright, there's some little structure right there, and that's what I'm trying to cast it towards. We got a twofer, 2 for 2, and a feisty one. And it's a bluegill. Glad it's decided to cool off a little bit. I was a little hot earlier. It's another mid-90s day here in Tennessee. Water I am standing in is just a little bit over my knees. Again, today's a little different as I'm in waders. I just don't know what's in this water. And oh, there they go. Man, it's weird. Like these fish are hitting right in the middle, not out in the banks like I normally think. Is this a red breast? Man, look at that guy. I think this is a red breast sunfish, not a bluegill. Maybe, I don't know. He's got this nice pretty color there. Y'all let me know what y'all think that is. There we go. Ooh, I think we got something different. No, it's a bluegill. Heck, that might have been the same one. Stop, simmer down. Simmer down now, simmer down. Alright, I'm going to switch to these little stoneflies. They're just a little bitty old lure. Don't really look like anything, but I'm going to fish this for a few minutes, see if I catch anything, and then we'll try to upgrade and go to a bigger fish. Stay tuned, my friends, stay tuned. There we go. Man, that's good. Oh, mate. Eating this little bitty old bug, buddy. Man, look at him. He's got a little red dot. Alright, let me show you what this area looks like. As you can see, it doesn't look like much, but there's some structure for these fish to hide around to ambush prey. I mean, that water right there is no more than 2-3 feet deep. Just walking upon it, you wouldn't think there'd be fish there, but when you fish it from a distance and you know the area, then you will see fish. Oh, no.
Popping, it look like it's squirting out milk.
Oh, you see that?
I did not.
What? That's another one. It's my 4th hit on this lure. I think the fish are so small they can't get their mouth on the hook. I don't know, let me know what you think. Am I doing something wrong? Fish are playing with it. Come on, take it. There we go. Good old Crickhopper. Normally don't catch anything with this, but thought I'd give it a try because I know somebody would probably recommend it eventually. Man, look at that, double hooked. I'm gonna have to get out the pliers. Oh man, that was a good hit. Hopefully I got that on camera. Oh, hang on, buddy. Hang on.
Oh, I saw that one. Oh, you lost it?
Ah! Oh, that was a good. That was a good hit. What we got? Oh, a bluegill, really? Gotta hit that bait hard. Oh man, sorry, buddy. My knee. Oh, just got done busting up my knee pretty good. Oh, that hurt. Fish is home. It's amazing how catching fish makes you feel better. Good night. And she's on. Taking a little bit longer to hit today. They're not hitting it right when they get on the water, but man, it's another pretty long ear. Lots of color. Alright, thanks for coming back and watching Johnny's Cave Fishing Adventures. It's been a tough day. Alright, this is the look of defeat. I am beat, my hands are all pruny, my knees is killing me. I got waders full of water, my waders full of water. Back hurts. Hadn't really caught any bass, caught a bunch of panfish. But let me show you all this water I'm working with. Don't worry, I got shorts underneath here, but these waders are supposed to keep water out, but I think there's a small hole. And I had a pretty good fall earlier. Oh gosh, look at that. Treading around this creek, all this freaking water. Walk all the way down here, and again, somebody's in our fishing spot. See my knee. Oh, it's not bruised up yet. Stumbled around some big rocks earlier. Got my knee pretty good. Got a little wet. Like I said, the GoPro was out. Hopefully it turns back on when it dries. Phone's pretty far from my face right now, so hopefully the sound comes alright. But I'm gonna close this one out. Until next time. Peace.